When the shaded region is rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis, the solid obtained is called the solid of revolution. If you see in the first diagram, we have taken the area from 1 to 2 and then we are rotating the figure along the x-axis. So we get a figure like this which is on the right. The solid formed by rotating the shaded region in the figure through 360 degrees about the x-axis. Now the area below the curve, when we rotate this about the x-axis, we get the solid which is given on the right. Now we'll see how to evaluate these volumes of solids using integration. The volume formula is given as volume equal to integration a to b pi y squared dx. The first question, the region between the curve y equal to x squared, the x-axis and the line x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 and rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis. Find the volume of revolution which is formed. Now we are going to rotate the shape about the x-axis. In order to find the volume, we'll just substitute it in this formula. Volume will be equal to, the limits are from 1 to 3. So we'll just substitute our limits from 1 to 3. Pi into our y is x squared. So y squared will be equal to x squared the whole square into dx. So it will be equal to integral 1 to 3 x pi into x power 4 dx. So when we integrate it, it is pi into x power 5 over 5. The limits are from 1 to 3. So let us substitute. We'll take the common parts. Pi over 5 is the common, that is it doesn't depend on the limits. So it will be 3 power 5 minus 1 power 5. That is the upper limit is 3. So we are substituting the value for x as 3 and the lower limit is 1. So now when we simplify this, we get our answer as 242 over 5 pi. Or if you are substituting the value for pi, we'll get it as 152 cubic units. You need to remember only the formula and then just apply it in the formula and integrate it. The second question, the region bounded between the curve y equal to x squared, the y-axis and the line y equal to 2 and y equal to 5 is rotated through 360 degrees about the y-axis. Find the volume of rotation which is formed. In our previous question, we rotated through the x-axis. Now we are rotating through the y-axis. So when you are rotating through the y-axis, our formula for the volume will be integral a to b pi x squared dx. When you are rotating through the x-axis, it will be pi y squared dx. Now you are rotating through the y-axis, so it will be pi x squared dx. So you need to be very careful and check whether the volume you are generated is rotated about the x-axis or about the y-axis. Now just substitute our values, that is integration of 2 to 5 pi and our formula is y equal to x squared. So instead of x squared, we can just write it as y directly, y x squared dy, sorry. It is y into dy. So it will be equal to pi into y squared over 2. The limits are from 2 to 5. See, this pi is a constant and 2 is a constant. So it is 5 square minus 2 square. So when we simplify it, it will be 21 pi over 2 cubic units. The third question, the area bounded by the curves y equal to 3 over 16 x squared and y equal to 1 over 8 x cubed plus 4. The line y equal to 12 and the positive y-axis is rotated about the y-axis. Calculate the volume of the shape. This shape is getting rotated about the y-axis. The solution, our required volume will be equal to difference in the volume between the two curves. Now, if y equal to 3 over 16 x squared, then x square will be equal to 16 over 3 y. So now let us find the volume of this. Volume will be, for the first curve, it is from 0 to 12 it is. This is 0 and this is up to 12. So 0 to 12 pi x squared. X squared is 16 over 3 into y into dy. So it will be equal to 16 over 3 pi and y, when we integrate, it is y squared over 2. The limits are from 0 to 12. So it will be 16 pi over 3 into 12 squared over 2 minus 0. So it will be equal to 384 pi. Similarly, if y equal to 1 over 8 x cube plus 4, then y minus 4 will be equal to 1 over 8 x cube. So x cube will be equal to 8 into y minus 4. So x will be equal to 8 into y minus 4 to the whole power 1 over 3. So it will be, this is nothing but 8 to the power of 1 over 3 is 2 into y minus 4 to the power of 1 over 3. Now we need an x squared. So when we square 2 squared, it is 4. And y minus 4, a power and a power will give multiplied. So it is 2 over 3. So now our volume for the other curve will be, here our volume is from 4 to 12, 4 pi into y minus 4 over 2 over 3 into dy. So when we simplify it, it is 4 pi into y minus 4 over 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2 over 3 plus 1, and the limits are from 4 to 12. So it will be 4 pi. This is 5 over 3. So it comes as 3 over 5 into y minus 4 over 5 over 3. The limits are from 4 to 12. This is 12 pi over 5 into the y takes the value 12. 12 minus 4 over 5 over 3. And this one is 4 minus 4. So this gives us a 0. So this will give us a 0. So when we simplify this, we get our answer as 76.8 pi. Therefore, our required volume. The previous answer is 384 pi minus 76.8 pi, which will give us 307.2 pi or 965 cubic units. Thank you.